girl on TikTok showed me what was coming out of her mattress. It scared me to the point that I had to get a mattress vacuum, okay? This is what came out of my mattress. This is so nasty, guys, okay? This can be easily dumped out. Ooh, what is this? It's like dust particles? I have a mattress cover on. On top of that, I have my sheets and everything. Yet it is still so nasty. Now, this is a HEPA filter. You know that it will destroy any type of allergen, up to 99.97% of bacteria and particles. It's so easy to remove and insert back. You're ready to start vacuuming your mattress and getting it clean. It has UV lights down here that will sanitize the areas that you vacuum. It has this ultrasonic vibrating brush that will break up any type of dust particles so it can suck it up easier. I picked one up in the TikTok shop. The link is down below. Grab one right now. It's free shipping and such a great price. I'm going to give this to my friends and family because I'm pretty sure they don't even know that they're supposed to vacuum their mattress, okay? Especially my friends that just had a newborn. Oh, you need to sanitize and keep that space clean. Right now in the TikTok shop, great price here.